Next, in CSS, we are going to do list. So list is collection of items stored in some particular form. So first of all, in CSS folder, we are creating one file, list.html, and one more file we are creating in same folder and naming it as uh, list.css. So in list.html, this is our basic HTML code, and in list.css we are creating one class. Name of the class is one, and here we are writing list style type. Here we are taking circle, and in list.html, here first of all we'll be seeing unordered list. So for unordered list we will writing ul. We have already seen that for unordered list we use ul. Then class equals to, I'm giving 1, and here within li tag I'm writing 1, 2, 3, and 4. Save it, and first of all we have to link that list.css with list.html. So link rel equals to style sheet, and href equals to name of that file is list.css. Now save it, and you can click on go live. So this is our circle type of tag. It is showing unordered list. Second, here we are creating one more class. I'm naming it as, we can write it like this also, ul.to. Now here I'm writing list style type equals to, here I have already taken circle, I'm taking list now, and one more I will be taking here, dot 3, and list style type equals to, we have taken disk, we have taken circle, here we'll be taking none, and in list.html we are just copying it, and here we are changing the name of class from 1 to 2, and here it will be 3. Save it, and click on go live. So we can see that this is circle, this is disk, and this is none. We can even take square, like here if I make one more class, dot 4, and list style type I'm giving here is square. So list will be shown in the form of square. Bullets will be in the form of square. Here I'm giving class name 4. So we can see that these are square bullets. Now ordered list. Ordered list, list is stored in some particular order. Here there is no order. We can means we have got bullets in front of it. We cannot order them. but in ordered list it will be in the form of numbers, in the form of alphabets, like that. So for ordered list we are creating one class dot 5 and list style type. Here I'm taking lower alpha. One more class I'm creating ol.6 and here list style type I'm taking, you can take anything. I'll be taking upper alpha and here in list.html we copy and paste same thing, and instead of ul we have to write ol, and here class will be 5 and here it should be ol. Here ol class should be 6 and here it will be closing of ol. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that this is lower alphabet, lower ABCD, and this is uppercase alphabet. These are square bullets. Here we have taken list style type to none, so it hasn't given any bullet in front of this list. Here we have circular bullets, and here we are given with disk. So this was list in CSS.